Hi, John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital, reviewing the account of one of our traders, Yugoslav. Yugoslav has been with us from the 13th of November 2020, and this is his journey from the 13th of November 2020 up until the 1st of February 2021. Yugoslav is managing 30,000 US dollars of company funds, and we're going to review his statistics and his journey and how he achieved 10% on managing company funds of 15,000 US dollars. Okay, Yugoslav has an average daily rate return of 0.11%, 11%, which is really good, an average monthly gain of 3.25%, and an average drawdown of 3.21%. So looking at Yugoslav's account, we can see the equity curve. He's hit his drawdown just under that, within the threshold of minus 1.59%, minus 1.5%, minus 2%, minus 1.51%, and he's picked up a rhythm from December, and you see he got to 2.2%, came back down to 0.22, but overall we can see a nice little equity curve going up, down, 3.4, and he hit rock bottom about 0.52%, just under 1%, but he managed to pull himself up all the way from the 4th of January, and Yugoslav has impressively hit 10% on the 2nd of February. How is this possible? Let's have a look at his account. Yugoslav has done this with a total of 288 trades. Quite a bit. He's been a quite busy guy. So let's look at the summary. What were the best trades that helped Yugoslav get there? We can see he's a big favorite of quite a few pairs. So the main pair that's done it for him, wow, we got quite a bit. So reviewing all these pairs, I think the main one that's done it for him would be 346, would be the Australian dollar US dollar. So the Australian dollar US dollar has given him a lot of profit, which is $346, but we're more concerned about pips. Where has Yugoslav got the most pips? The most pips Yugoslav has got, looking at his statistics, is based on the Euro Australian dollar, because you can see he's made 264.9 pips, 265 pips, followed by the Australian dollar US dollar, and followed by the pound yen. So these are all big gains for Yugoslav, and we can see he has a few gains and a few losses, but you can see Yugoslav's main strong hand, I believe, is on his long. He's a very bullish trader compared to his shorts, but at the same time we can see a slight balance. He has more successful trades on the long side compared to being on the short side. And if we take the average mean of long and short, we can see where Yugoslav's account is in terms of his equity curve. So let's look at his goals and his route. So you see, coming down into the goals, we just wait for this to load up. Yugoslav has really demonstrated, this is real time of where his positions are. So we can see that all these positions on the curve, where he's taking them in the future. So if I click here, I think I should be able to get a live representation of where he is. As you can see, I can see where he's made money, and I can see his net profit. And if I click on all respective points on this chart, it will show me his active positions and where his strong arm is. And looking at all these charts here, Yugoslav has really demonstrated what it's like to be a trader. So let's look at the history. He's got from January he's got 6.3%, February he's got 1.96%, so that's really good. But I'm more concerned with how many trades he's taken, which is 291. Let's just have a little preview and looking at what he's done. You can see Yugoslav is very disciplined. His lot sizes are consistent. I love seeing a trader with consistent lot sizes. It shows me discipline. And once you maintain discipline, you can be a bit more offensive, because offensive in the sense that you can take more risk. while preserving your balance without hitting drawdown. But when you hit your drawdown, you have to trade defensively, whereas you got to preserve the capital and get small consistent gains. So Yugoslav has done very well. You can see from 0.10, 0.05, and we can see he's very consistent in what he does. And the FTP program comes with very strict money management rules. But clearly Yugoslav is showing us that anything is possible with the right mindset, a trading plan, a strategy, and consistent lot sizes. So Yugoslav, I wish you all the best, and I'm pretty much sure your current equity curve right now, where you're at 10%, you're going to go on to level 3, which would be $60,000 US, and I wish you all the best. Safe trading and do the best you can do to achieve your goals.